In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and add new floor levels to your project. Hello guys, welcome to DLM Studios. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create new floor levels, edit the floor levels and make use of them in your project browser. Stay tuned. How to add new floor levels to your project. You can double click any of the floor levels to edit the floor level height distance. You can change the floor height difference by editing the value of the floor height. You can also create floor levels by creating similar elements, shortcut CS. You can create a new floor level by clicking the line icon to set the floor level height manually. You can also create new floors by using the pick line icon and offset the lines to be selected. Just click on the line and the new offset floor level will be created just like that. Once you've set your offset height, you can just click the line and it will create a new offset for you. Kindly take note of the additional floor levels created in the project browser. You can delete or unwanted floor levels by clicking on the levels and just press the delete key. You can rename the floor level to desired name for the project purpose, example floor plan, first floor plan, second floor plan, roof plan, and so on. You can also create additional floor levels if the floor levels you have available is not enough. You can view all new floor levels in your project browser floor plan view, and you can create the floor plans and the walls for each floor level. You can also create negative floor levels if you intend to add foundation, basements, or any other thing you think you can put underground in your project. Congratulations, you have reached the end of this video. You can press the like button below to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications because more tutorials will be coming up every day. You can leave your comments, your thoughts, and if any question you have in the comment section below, and be sure to get a reply ASAP.